My village is a small and peaceful place. It is located in the countryside. The village is a great place to relax, escape hustle and bustle of the city. The fields look beautiful during the monsoon season. The village has a small primary school that provides education of the children. The village has a few festivals. The village has a small houses that offer homestays to tourists. The village has a few small clinics that provide basic medical care to the villagers. The village, the village has a few small restaurants that serve the traditional cuisine. The villagers enjoy eating together with their families and friends.